Have you been searching for the perfect compact SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2023 Land Rover Range Rover Velar R Dynamic in gray. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 19-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 1,000 miles in the odometer, navigation, split folding rear seats, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 906908.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.